I don't know speaking. A student.
Sure. Basically.
Thank you.
Hello. Where are you from?
Hi,
Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia.
Wow, Colombia. Latin America. Latin America,
yeah.
Colombia. Oh, this is your country.
Latin America.
Yeah, of course. Latin America, Colombia.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Just I am from Bangladesh.
And you?
I am from
Where are you from?
Bangladesh. Close to India, Bangladesh. Bangladesh.
Oh,
Oh, many days later.
cool.
Yeah. Many days later,
I
have-
don't speak English.
Oh,
I speak English so.
little. Can we speak English little?
Yes.
Oh, if you are interested to learn English, I can help you. I can help you to learn English. Are you agree? Okay. Please listen.
I can
Wait.
help you. No, but you are okay.
Wait.
Yes, okay.
Wait. I am showing you. Please wait.
You are teacher?
Teacher. College lecturer. Please wait. I am helping you. Colombia. Please listen. Your country Colombia. Colombia.
Yes.
At first, I am teaching you. At first, follow it. You can follow me. Firstly. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Just your country Colombia. How can I divide? Divide means little part. Colombia. We can divide your country into 3 parts. Three. We can divide it.
Yeah.
3 parts. Just one part of the word is called syllable. I am showing you.
Sílaba, sí.
Syllable. Okay. Syllable. Just
Okay.
you have to learn at first syllable, basic English grammar. To expert in English, listen concentrately. To
Okay.
expert in English, you have to learn syllable.
Syllable. Syllable.
There are 4 kinds of syllable. Monosyllable. Please listen. One pen, monosyllable. Two pen, disyllable. 3 pen, trisyllable. And 4 pen, polysyllable. Just
Oh.
our country Bangladesh. 3 parts. We can divide. Of course, we can divide our country into 3 parts. Just same to you. Colombia and our country Bangladesh. We are to same. 3. We are to 3 parts. We can divide.
3.
3. I am asking another question. English.
Lo siento.
English. The word.
2.
2. Yes. Of course, 2. English. It is very important. To learn Right pronunciation. Just English two parts. We can divide two parts. This is called disyllable. Disyllable. Just pen. P-E-N, pen. The word pen. Pen. Yeah.
One syllable.
One syllable. Yeah. Of course. We cannot divide. We cannot break. We cannot divide it. We cannot break. Never. Okay. This is called pen.
Okay.
Monosyllable. And English disyllable. Die. And another word.
Disyllable.
Yeah. National. How can I divide the word national? Three. Right. National. I am showing you.
No.
National. Just we can divide the word into three parts. National. Okay, three parts. And last, this is called trisyllable. This is called. And last syllable, polysyllable, invitation. Invitation. We can divide the word into four parts. Four. Invitation. Four parts. Invitation. This is called syllable. Okay. Syllable. To expert in English, basically, I can suggest you. To expert in English, you should learn at first basic English grammar, syllable. It is very important to learn English. Okay? Sure?
Okay.
Just do you know what is the meaning? What is the meaning of PK? PK, do you know?
I don't know PK.
Okay. Just I am telling you. Personal knockout. PK means personal knockout. Personal knockout. Yeah, sure.
Sure.
I am talking to you personally. I am talking to you. This is called PK means personal knockout. Okay? And
Okay.
yeah. Tell me another English word. Long English word. Tell me. I can help you.
Word.
Yeah. Any word.
1 moment. A student.
Student. Yeah. Of course. I am showing you.
Three level.
Student. S. Three. Is student. We can divide the word into three parts. A student. Okay. And I am showing you another word. Oh, okay. Glove. This is called glove.
Okay.
Glove.
Okay.
Two. We can divide two parts. And at first you have to learn pronunciation. How can you divide?
Pronunciation.
Please.
Pronunciation.
Shun.
Four.
Four. Four parts. Four. Pronunciation. Okay. Excellent class. You have enjoyed from me. Sure.
Thank you.
Basically, I am a college lecturer.